Hello guys, today I've got Motorola Vervebuds 250 and I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues. So, the first thing that you need to do is to restart both your phone and your earbuds. You need to just perform a soft reset on your earbuds and restart your phone. How to perform a soft reset? You need to put both earbuds into the case, close it for 30 seconds and then take them out back again. It should work for you. If it still doesn't work and you still can't can't pair your earbuds with your phone, you need to do something different. Make sure that they are in the pairing mode. How to do that? You need to take a look at the LED light, which is located on the left, but I think the dominant one right here. This should be blinking blue and red. If it does blink blue and red, it means that these earbuds are in pairing mode. If they are not in the pairing mode, make sure that every single device in your home is disconnected from them, or just perform a factory reset. How to perform a factory reset? You need to at first turn them off with holding the malfunction button for a couple of seconds. Then you need to hold the touch area for 5 seconds, the MFB of course. And then when you see both earbuds blinking blue and red, you need to tap the area 4 times. And this is the factory reset. This should fix your issue. If it didn't, you need to try connecting your earbuds to a different device. If it does work with a different device, and the issue is located in your phone. If it doesn't work with another device, you need to contact the device support to have it fixed. That's it. Goodbye.